Hi, I'm Jenny from The Gingered Whisk, and I help busy families make easy meal plans full of great food. As a mom of 3 girls, we are always busy at dinner time, and I know how hard it is to make a simple meal plan that's still full of the good food you want to eat. Here are my top 2 tips for making meal planning super easy. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to sit down and make a note of what the weather and your schedule for the week is going to be. It's important to know both of these things so that you're not grilling while it's pouring down rain, and so that you're making a meal that actually fits into your schedule. So then you're going to want to look at your schedule and see what kind of meals you need to actually plan for each day. So I know on Tuesdays we have clarinet lessons at dinner time. So we're going to have a slow cooker meal because when we roll in, we want to make sure we've got dinner on the table. And then Wednesday is always a night that Daddy cooks tacos because we're at the barn super late. And then you're going to go through your whole week like that and make sure that you are thinking about what you need to eat, whether you're going to plan a 15-minute meal or a slow cooker meal, or you're going to have someone else provide dinner, or if you're going to go through the drive-through because you have no other option. I always check my meal plan in my adventure